Here's exactly how I make $3,000 every single day online with AI. I paid a mentor $5,000 to learn this exact strategy, but I'm giving it to you completely for free in this video. So let's get into it. So step one, we need to pick a niche, aka a group of people we want to help. And why do we want to target a group of people instead of targeting everybody? Think about a general doctor versus a brain surgeon. Who gets paid more? A general doctor on average makes around $287,000 a year, while a brain surgeon makes around $300,000 to $800,000 a year. And so why the difference? It's because a general doctor is a generalist. He or she doesn't specialize in a specific field and therefore gets paid less. Versus a brain surgeon is specialized at solving a very specific problem and people go to him or her for that specific problem. And that's why they get paid the big bucks. And we want to do the same thing in business. We don't want to be the generalist getting paid less. We want to be the specialist targeting a specific group of people, and therefore we get paid for it. But also we eliminate like 90% of the competition because we specialize in this specific group of people. Now, how exactly do we pick this group of people? Pretty simple. Just pull up your laptop or your phone. In this case, I'll pull up my laptop and go to Claude.ai. Claude is like the better writing version of ChatGPT. I always say ChatGPT is like my therapist. It's really good for answering personal questions, but for more business specific questions and writing, Claude is way better. So let's use Claude. And then you're gonna ask Claude, I'm passionate about blank, blank, and blank. Which niche should I target for my business that's easily found through Instagram DMs? So now let's break this down. So you want to pick 3 different industries that you're passionate about that you think you might be interested in helping. So for me, I'm passionate about fitness. I've been working out every day since I was 18 years old and I'm 25 now, 7 years in the industry. I also love music. I play the guitar. I'm not a great musician, but I like music. And then I'm also into photography/videography. So I'm gonna say photography/videography. Like example, in this video right now, I'm shooting on 2 Sony FX3s, plus the Shure mic, plus the lights in the background. I'm gonna let you guess. Let me know in the comments how much you think this photography/videography setup is worth. But anyways, so I picked my 3 different industries that I'm passionate about. And then we also wanna say that's easily found through Instagram DMs, because that's how we're actually gonna reach out to these business owners and message them. But more about that in a sec. So I'm gonna hit enter and boom, Claude will literally tell me what exact niche I want to target. So in this case, it says fitness is your strongest choice. Now, if it doesn't give you a specific type of niche, then you wanna ask it, now for the fitness industry, what type of business should I target? And then it'll give you a list of different businesses that you could target based off the industry you're passionate about. So again, it picked fitness for me and it picked personal trainers/online coaches as the best niche for me to be able to message on Instagram. So for personal trainers and online coaches, what is the best digital marketing service to sell to them? And then boom, as you see, Claude tells me what specific service to sell them. And in this case, Claude's telling me done for you content creation. So for any of these services, you could go to dropservice.io and go to the services tab. And in here, you could probably find the service that Claude recommends to sell. In this case, social media management, since Claude told us to do done for you content creation. And so with Dropservice, all you would have to do is just charge twice as much as what Dropservice charges. So in this case, I'll sell business owners social media management for $500 a month, and then I'll outsource the work to Dropservice to do all the work under my name and only pay Dropservice $250 a month. And then I keep the other $250 a month as profit. We call this skill arbitrage, where you don't actually have to learn any of these services yourself that these businesses are gonna pay you for. Instead, all you have to do is just find an expert service provider to do all the work under your name. You could find this on Fiverr, Upwork, or if you want a trusted 7-figure team, you could outsource your services to my software, dropservice.io. As you see here, super easy, super simple. So now that we picked our niche, we know what service to sell, you might be thinking, but Renzo, I'm a beginner. How are any of these businesses gonna believe me to pay me? Pretty simple. You just go to the resources tab in dropservice.io, and then you look up your specific industry. So example, I'm gonna look up personal trainers since I'm targeting personal trainers. And boom, as you see here, Dropservice has a case study for you that you could use as your own. So example, if a business owner asks me for proof for testimonials, I'll just send that business owner this specific case study with these specific results as my own. Because again, since Dropservice is my team I'm outsourcing to, I get to use their best proof, results, and testimonials as my own, because technically they're part of my team. So now that we picked your niche, we know what services to sell, and we have the proof to back you up, how exactly do we find business owners to sell? pretty simple. Just go back to dropservice.io and go to the lead finder. And then from here, you can look up any location. I'm based in Chicago, so I'm gonna look up Chicago, but you could target anywhere all over the world. We have students in over 30 different countries, all targeting people all over the world. So you don't have to target your specific country, your specific city, literally target anywhere. But in this case, just to keep the example nice and simple, I'm gonna target Chicago because I do live in Chicago. And then I'm gonna look up the type of business owner I want to target. So remember Claude told me to do personal trainer. So I'm gonna look up personal trainer. And then from here, Dropservice gives you an infinite amount of business owners to message in your specific industry. In this case, I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna pick Danny Gustin Fitness. I'm gonna hit view. I'm gonna copy and paste his website, search it up on Google. And then I'm gonna scroll all the way down. And then usually they have their Instagram on the bottom of the website. I'm gonna click it and boom. Now I have a business owner to message. What exactly do you say to these business owners to sell them your digital service? Well, pretty simple. I'm gonna give you the exact script right now, but I'm gonna be honest, I have an AI that I installed on my phone that's sending these messages for me. So you could just copy and paste my script that I'm gonna show you in this video, or you could just click the link in the description below to find out more details on how to install the same AI on your phone that finds and sells business owners for me all through the Instagram DM. So again, just check out the link in the description below if you want that AI installed on your phone to print you money. But anyways, let's get on to the script. So my AI messages this personal trainer Bo Clausen saying, "My brother, love your content, like awesome work. What type of clients are you looking for?" So notice how my AI is almost texting or DMing like a friend. It's like, "My brother, send, love your content, send, like awesome work, send. What type of clients are you looking for, send." It's not some like giant, massive pre-planned paragraph that looks super salesy and gonna get you left on red. Instead, it seems very spontaneous and natural. And so because of that, Bo responds, "Training clients." And then my AI says, "That's awesome, Bo. We work with a ton of coaches who target a similar niche. Oh, by the way, I'm starting a new case study program, taking 5 coaches and helping them grow and monetize their brand to 10K a month in the next 100 days. Cool if I ask you a couple questions to see if I could help." Now, I'm not going to explain the whole psychology of this entire script because that would take me hours upon hours, and I know you don't got time for that. But just trust me, this Bo guy pays me $9.97 a month at the end of this. So then Bo responds, "Sure, man." So then my AI says, "Okay, fantastic, my man. So first, a couple questions. Where's your income now? Where do you want it to be at in the next 3 to 6 months?" Bo says he's at $2,000 a month and he wants to be at that 2 to 10K a month. 5K a month would be really comfortable. So then my AI says, "Gotcha, my brother. So what would you say you need help with right now?" And then Bo responds, "I would just be starting from ground zero, so just getting clients online, I guess." And then my AI says, "Totally understand, my brother. So I'm pretty sure I know the answer to this, but is this a priority for you or more of a later thing?" Bo responds, "I mean, yeah, it's a priority." And then my AI says, "Perfect. When you're ready, just have a read through this, then hit me back with a reply saying I'm in, I'm out, or any questions, okay?" And then my AI sends over this document. And if you're wondering what this document is, it's basically just the details of my service and the price. So I break down more about how to make this document in the link in the description. So just check out the link in the description if you want to learn how to make this yourself. But again, all it is really just the details of my service and the price. So then Bo responds, "All right, well, I think I'm gonna do it." And then my AI says, "Boom, can't wait to crush this for you, legend. You're still one of the first 5, just made it in. So I'll grab you the link to get registered in a sec, just to make sure you're not gonna get back to me tomorrow and say you changed your mind, right?" And Bo responds, "As long as you don't do it to me." So then my AI sends him over the invoice to pay me and match up the names. Bo Clausen, this guy pays me $9.97 a month. And then all I do is I simply outsource the work to Dropservice for $500 a month, and I keep the other $497 a month as profit without having to do any work. Now, as you see, my AI reached out and handled this entire conversation for me, so I'm kind of making money passively in my sleep. But you could always just send these messages manually if you don't have the AI. But again, if you want to install the same AI on your phone to send out these messages, again, just check out the link in my description for all the details. So now that we picked your niche, we have a service to sell, we have the proof to back you up, you know how to find business owners, and you know exactly what to say to sell these business owners through the Instagram DM, how exactly do we scale to 10K a month? Well, pretty simple. All we got to do is just do some basic money math. So to get to $10,000 a month, all we have to do is sell 21 clients at $497 a month profit to make $10,000 a month profit. And the beauty about all these different digital services is that they're all monthly recurring income because these clients rely on you. It's not like you're teaching your client how to do this. They're constantly relying on you every month to provide these services. So guess what? Every time a client pays you $997 a month, all you do is you outsource the work to Dropservice for $500 a month, and you're keeping $497 a month profit every single month without actually having to do any of the real work. And so when you're collecting in these checks month after month and you're outsourcing the work to Dropservice month after month, guess what? You're left over with pure profit every month without actually having to do anything. And so that's the beauty about this business model. Unlike every other business model out there, from remote closing, drop shipping, info products, where they're all one-time sales and you have to start over every month. With this business model, you're stacking up clients upon clients and you're stacking up your monthly recurring income every single month without having to start over from ground zero. So I say it all the time. Once you're at 10K a month with this business model, you're chilling. You're in what I call business nirvana, where you have the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want, with whoever you want. If you want to travel, you could go travel. If you want to retire your parents, you could go do that, because every month you have predictable recurring income coming in that doesn't rely on your location. It doesn't rely on your time. And most importantly, it doesn't even rely on you. Because we all get into this entrepreneurship game to get that financial time and location freedom, but we often lose sight of that because every business model requires you to constantly grind. But with this business model, it aligns with like the message I always tell myself, to do the hard work once. I don't know if you ever see my day in the lives on Instagram or TikTok or my YouTube vlogs, but there's a reason I don't really work that much, because I have clients paying me month after month, and I'm just outsourcing the work month after month, and I'm keeping the rest as profit, literally just cashing in checks left and right every month while I sleep, because I have a business model that works for me instead of me constantly having to work on my business. And so Alex Hormozi says it all the time. It's not about how hard you row, it's about what boat you're in. And with this specific business model with AI, this is one of the fastest, strongest, safest, easiest boats you'll ever ride. Now, if you want a full breakdown of how to automate this entire business model with AI, including installing that same AI on your phone that I mentioned earlier that finds and sells business owners for you, I just made a free 15-minute training breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit just installing an AI on my phone, and how you could do it too, or make like an extra 2 to 3K a month from home on the side, just installing the same AI on your phone. Just check out the free training over here and get a pen and paper out, because it's gonna be saucy.